Hello, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. Black Friday is all about huge savings, but don't let unlimited discounts cut into your profits. Instead, set a smart cap. For example, 50% off up to $400. Customers still get their deals, but your margins stay safe. Before going to the video, if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more Shopify tips. So, for setting up discount percentage with the cap amount, I'm using Next Discount app downloaded from the Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. I have installed it and opened the app from the Shopify admin panel. I'm clicking on create new discount. Now choose your discount code as the discount type and add any discount code. For now I'm adding it 50% off and I am planning to give a percentage of discount 50 with a cap amount of 400. Now this cap amount will make sure that the discount amount will never go beyond 400. Even though the 50% of the cart value is higher than 400, our cap amount ensures that the maximum discount amount will be 400. Now I can apply this discount to all the products or a specific collection or a specific products. I am adding for all the products. And you can set some minimum purchase requirement here. For now, I am not adding any minimum purchase requirement. And for the customer eligibility, I can set it for all the customers or a customer having some tag or only on first order like that. I'm planning to give this for all the customers. I can also limit the number of time the discount can be used in total. Let's say if it is 100 means it can be applicable for 100 first users. And I can also limit the use of this code per customer only one time. Now I can set some start date or an end date through which the discount is active. Like if you are planning to run the offer throughout the month of Black Friday or 10 days or 10 days for the maybe for the Black Friday or a week, you can set it those details like the start date and end date from here. And you can also club this discount with the existing discounts like product discount, order discount, or a shipping discount. Now adding all these details, I'm saving the changes. Now I'm checking whether it got activated. Now you can see that the 50% of code is got activated from the discount section. Now let's test this up in our online store. Now I'm trying to buy a product of worth 5,000 now. Now I'm adding my code here. Now you can see that the 50% of the 5,000 is more than 400. Since we have capped the discount amount at 400, this product will be getting only the discount amount up to 400. So the discount will never go beyond 400 since we have capped it. And we can check with some other products now. Now I'm adding this product of 599. Adding into the cart and applying the discount code. Now you can see that the correct 50% of the MRP is got deducted from the product since it's only 299 which is not beyond the 400. The correct 50% of off is got applied here. So that's how you set up a discount percentage of code with a cap amount. So if you are finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like or comment to the channel. Thanks for watching.